Let me walk you through how to install HP Smart and connect your printer to Wi-Fi on Windows 11. This process has three main parts: installing the app, preparing your printer, and pairing everything together. First, you'll need to install the HP Smart app on your Windows 11 computer. It's completely free and you can download it from either the Microsoft Store or by visiting 123.hp.com. Once you've downloaded and opened HP Smart, you'll need to agree to the terms to continue. On the sign-in screen, you have two options. You can either sign in or create an HP account, or you can select Skip for now to continue as a guest. If you want access to more features like scanning, I recommend creating an account. To do this, select Sign In, then select Sign Up. Enter your details and select Create. You'll receive an email, so check your inbox and select Verify to confirm your email address. Then return to HP Smart, add your phone number if you'd like, and select Continue. You should now be on the HP Smart home screen. Now we need to prepare your printer. HP Smart can only connect to printers that are discoverable on the network, which means your printer must be placed into Wi-Fi setup mode. First, make sure your HP printer is turned on. The method for entering Wi-Fi setup mode depends on which type of printer you have. If your printer has a touchscreen, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. Open Network Settings, then select Restore Network Settings. Select Yes to confirm. If your printer doesn't have a touchscreen, press the Cancel button to wake the printer if it's sleeping. Then press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for 5 seconds. For LaserJet Pro printers, press and hold the wireless button until the ready and attention lights blink at the same time, then release the button. If your printer has front edge lighting, press and hold the Wi-Fi button, which is usually on the rear of the printer, for 5 seconds. When Wi-Fi setup mode is active, the front edge light will pulse and change color. Now go back to your Windows 11 computer and make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on. In HP Smart, from the home screen, select Add Printer. HP Smart will search for available printers. When you see your printer model appear, select it and click Continue. Here's something important. Don't choose a printer name that includes the word Direct. That's for Wi-Fi Direct, not normal Wi-Fi network setup. HP Smart will prompt you to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network, so select Continue. The app will then pair with the printer and connect it to your wireless network. When it confirms the printer is connected, select Continue. If your printer supports HP Plus or HP Instant Ink, you may see optional sign-up screens, which you can follow if you're interested. If you're prompted to install a print driver, go to Printers and Scanners in your Windows settings. Select Add Device, then choose your printer model to install the driver. Finally, let's print a test page to confirm everything is working. In HP Smart, select either Print Documents or Print Photos. Choose what you want to print, adjust any settings in the preview window if needed, and select Print.